Where to find your PIN on Roblox. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari for now. Once you're in here, you need to head over to this link. It will land you on this official page. In this page, you have to fill up some of the information, as in your first name, your parents' email address, re-enter the email address, and then you have to enter the issue details as well. Select the device type, and then select the category type for help. You need to select account hacked or can't log in. Once done, in the description, enter the problem that you have been facing on Roblox. You can simply copy the paste the thing that I have just written. Once done, tap on continue. You need to solve one puzzle. Once you have solved it, tap on submit. And then, your appeal will be sent to the Roblox support. Now within 24 hours, you will definitely find your PIN and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.